Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Psychic energy class is one of the most powerful classes, I would say, because if this aspect is understood well, and if you did this meditation and of course use the other tools which I have given you in this class, then it will help you to meditate regularly, first of all. When I first introduced this class, the best feedback that I got from almost most of the people who attended the class was that although they had done so many of our other classes before this, only after doing psychic energy, they said they could meditate regularly. Because it constantly, every day when you do this meditation, negative energy is removed. So that helps you to get into the routine of meditation. And that is a sure sign that your energy is becoming positive. So that is why please do meditate regularly and do this meditation every day for a few days. Hill meditation and this meditation will be enabled in your mobile app tonight. And since this class is in English, the meditations and there is a PDF also with the notes will be enabled in English. If somebody wants it in Tamil, please write in the group, not in this chat, write in the WhatsApp group. Please enable for me in Tamil and it will be done in Tamil. Okay, so now I think one by one, if you all speak about your experience, I will be very happy.
In Peru Shobana, I'm calling from UK. So I've been learning Alpha Mind Power for quite a few years. Now it's been quite 9 years. It's been 9 years before my second child was born. And it has actually changed my life for better. So when I was carrying my second child, I used to do a cell glow meditation, which I could see an immense difference in my second child. How definitely it's a wonderful experience. And from then, but the meditation has been on and off. I would not say every day, but there's been like a lot of disturbances in my life as well. And unfortunately, last year I lost my mother. So there's been a lot of grief and, so been going on there, which stopped me from doing so many things. Even meditation has become very it has been like, even though I feel that I wanted to do it, but there is something that is stopping me from doing it regularly. But now I got a very clear picture of why it didn't happen. So maybe it's a grief or no sleep, a lot of disturbances.
Okay.
So this class has been really giving me a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now continue your meditations. I'm sure you'll feel much better. Yeah.
Sure, madam. Thank you.
Okay, right.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes.
So I've been regularly attending your classes.
Okay.
Last week also. Yes.
Okay,
Last week also I attended Lakshya Siddhi.
Okay.
And this was actually, this meditation was more blissful than the chakra meditation, which
Okay.
usually I do. Now I have two questions. One is regarding this. I have one property, one land, and I'm not able to sell this for the last 3 to 4 years. Whenever some buyer is coming, there is some hurdle, and something happens to him, and so he's not coming back, something like that, So I think some kind of negative energy may be there. So how to remove that?
You should now practice this psychic energy meditation. This will remove the negative energies, whichever may be affecting you. And then continue to do the goal achievement meditation for selling the plot and see how it works. Let me know.
Yes. Second question is how to use this Rudrakshmala for, to
counting
this psychic energy.
Yes, you can use it. You can use it on the middle finger, and one by one the bead should be pushed towards yourself as you chant the mantras. So when you come back, you will come to that 109th bead. Generally 108 are there and one extra bead is there. So that tells you that you've completed the mala. That's how you use it. Okay.
Right.
Thank you very much for being here. Yeah.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yes, good evening.
My name is Akshay and I am from Bangalore, and the meditation was very blissful and it was very peaceful. I really felt very happy after the chakra meditation indeed. I have two questions. I just wanted to ask you that when are we going to have the Vidya Siddhi class?
Vidya Siddhi, yeah, we will plan maybe in November. I will ask my staff to have this class. Definitely,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. We
Yeah,
will
and
do it.
and I need your blessings because I'm going to write my board exams next year.
12th?
CBSE 10th board exam,
10th, okay.
CBSE. Yeah.
Okay, very good. My blessings to you. Do very well.
Thank you.
Choose Alpha. You can study very easily.
Yes,
Do very well.
yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
Definitely. Okay. Thank you so much.
Vanakkam Guruji, Tirumagal from Bangalore Guruji.
Yes, Vanakkam. Yes, yes.
Guruji, this I attended when you introduced this class in Bangalore.
Okay.
And I wanted to tell you that you remember I was suffering from bipolar, and then I did first Sri Vidya class, then this psychic energy class. So when as per our advice, I was alternatively doing Sri Vidya and psychic energy. And after doing 6 months, all this alternative, both high level meditation, because my psychiatrist told me that it's a lifelong medication, but just I came out of it, which
Yeah.
but I just wanted to thank you so much for this excellent class, which has helped me a lot. Which my psychiatrist told lifelong medication, which suddenly one day he asked me to stop it.
Very
And
good. Very good.
more than 6 years, Guruji. 2015 October, I stopped the medication. Now 2020. These 6 years, I have not been taking any medicine for that.
Okay.
And my mental health, my physical health, everything is excellent. Thank you so much.
Good,
Guruji.
good. I'm so happy to hear this. Wonderful. Wish you very good health.
Thank you.
Okay? Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yes, good evening.
Meena, Chennai.
Yes. Meena.
Last week I attended. One question, Guruji. Why
Yes.
should we remove the pictures of our parents or in-laws? Because they are all our well-wishers, you know.
They are well-wishers in this life, but this life is over for them. Now they have to move on their soul's journey. So if we hold them back here, it's not good for them. And that causes Pitru Dosham, which becomes a negative energy for us and our next generations also. So once a person dies, whatever rituals we do, it is only to make them keep moving on their journey. So by hanging pictures and praying to them every day, we are only calling them back every day. So we must let them go. That is the thought behind it. In our Pitru Dosham class, we go into detail into all this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you so much. How was this class?
Excellent, madam. Excellent,
Okay.
Guruji.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Right.
Last month I attended the Pitru Dosha class, and this class was even more interesting, and it instigates a lot of inner things in me. And while doing the psychic meditation itself, I felt like my aura was increasing. So I felt really happy about it, and my concentration was so much, and I forgot everything, where I am and all those things. So thank you so much, Guruji.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah.
This is Shanti from Coimbatore. I just saw one person was telling about bipolar disorder, because I too was suffering from bipolar disorder, but I'm very happy to hear that she got recovered from that fully.
Yeah, not only she, there are other people also in other centers who have recovered by practicing alpha meditation sincerely. Yeah,
this psychic energy meditation, the first half I really felt very good, but after on the last one, which is the chakra one, I'm not able to actually sit and continually do the meditation. Anyways, I'll try to,
no, you should, because see, the very fact that you're not able to do the meditation shows that a lot of negativity is getting released. That's why it is making you restless. So you should be determined and do it every day once.
Forcefully?
3 or 4 days, you will become comfortable. At least for 1 week, you do it every day, psychic energy.
Yeah. Also, I'm interested in Sri Vidya, ma'am. So
Sri Vidya, we will be having the next English class will be Sri Vidya. Next Tamil class next week is Anubandham, which is about relationships. After that, the English class will be Sri Vidya. So please attend that. It will be very good for this. Yes.
Ma'am, you do the hill meditation, right? So I'm just got confused between this hill meditation and the Anubandham. So in this hill meditation, we are telling like whoever the person is, just go away from our life like that. But in the Anubandham,
I'm saying go away from my life, then they will not go away. Not everybody will go away. What we are saying is that disturbance, see, somebody's presence also can disturb you. Somebody's thought also can disturb you. You want to get rid of that from your mind. That's all. So it does not harm that person. It does not do anything to them. But in some way, it works in such a way that your disturbance, it disappears. That is the purpose of the meditation. You can safely do it for anybody. People have done it for their own children sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because sometimes because of a grown-up child, you have so much of problems. So they do it for the child. Slowly the child becomes better that way.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Preet and Sahaj.
Namaste.
Namaskaram, Amma.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Amma, this class was amazing. Didi had emailed you 3 days back that my brother had attacked me, and he has schizophrenia, Amma.
Okay.
We had to call the emergency to take him to the hospital, but unfortunately, due to COVID, the hospital turned him back. Amma, he had been behaving very, very aggressively towards me and Didi past few weeks, and we were avoiding him. But that day it could not get avoided. I had in fact just gotten up from sadhana, and after that he had literally just attacked me. I don't know what happened, Amma. And especially since after Didi signed up for the psychic energy class, things really began to increase. So I did the hill meditation. After that, I'm feeling lighter. Amma, there's another thing I wanted to speak to you about. I had to drop out of university last year because I was diagnosed with chronic depression. I'm looking to get back to my studies. It's still taking some time. I have been improving over the months, and I'm pretty sure with Alpha I'll be improving a lot. But I want to get back to my studies now, along with a few more goals that I'm looking forward to. Please bless me.
Definitely, my blessings to you. I'm sure you will overcome all this. I think you should keep doing the hill meditation for your brother, and also shower a lot of colors on him, and keep talking to his subconscious mind also. It will help a lot, definitely.
Amma, I felt I had done this class many years back. I think I was in school in India at that time, or I don't know where I was. And at that time I didn't take it very seriously, and I totally forgot about it.
Okay.
And this time I felt the whole ball, like the aura became a huge ball. That light could be felt, that golden light, and it was very beautiful. And Amma, just a quick question. Are you a Siddha?
What do you think? When you are all Alpha Siddhas, then I am also an Alpha Siddha, isn't it? So we are all Siddhas. Don't worry about that. We are following the path of Siddhas. So we all are Siddhas. And when we practice, because we practice Alpha meditation, we call ourselves Alpha Siddhas. That's the only difference. Okay? Right. So thank you very much for being there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening. Who's speaking?
I'm Meenakshi.
Yes,
last
Meenakshi.
month I attended your Pitru Dosha class, and I did mention about how Sri Vidya helped me a lot. And from that time, I wanted to attend psychic energy also, because you had told about the importance of complementing, alternatively practicing both for the full effect. So for a long time, I wanted to attend this class also. Today, fortunately, I was able to attend.
Good.
Thank you,
Very
Guruji.
good.
Thank you. I felt I was able to feel the blissfulness.
Very good.
Completely.
Yeah. Now you practice psychic energy for a few days continuously, maybe for a week, and then you alternate it with Sri Vidya. It will be wonderful if you do both. It'll be really good. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Good evening, Amma. Namaskaram.
Good evening. Yes.
I'm Sri Devi. I'm Alpha Siddha from 7 years. I have done Alpha Foundation level 1, and then I have done Aishwaryam, Sanjeevani, everything. I feel very blissful after doing Aishwaryam. I have seen my friends and my brothers also. They are getting very less salary and all, whereas I am comfortable with my salary. I don't know, it did not increase, but I did not suffer from the money part. That way. So every Friday, as you said, I'm doing that Ain Reem, Clean Stream, all the
Where are you? Where are you now?
Vellore from. I'm
Okay.
from Vellore, ma'am.
Okay.
So, but only thing what I had is so much of disturbance. When I do that Aishwaryam Puja also, first I have to, I have so many hurdles, then I have to, for preparing for Puja also I have to do. And even in the morning after registering, like I had a very big fight at home. It was very silly, small thing only. But with my daughters, I had a very big fight. Why you people are not helping me, all such things I had. Then I felt very bad. Like as if that I'm expecting something from them, but they are not doing it. Or else they are not like family type. They are not together with me. Something like that. I felt depressed. But after coming to this class, attending this class, I'm fresh. Like I have that feeling that my children will be with me always.
Good,
And
very good. Very
because of Alpha meditation, my daughter got state rank also. She also.
Very good, very good, excellent, very nice.
She got 495.
Very nice to hear that. Good, good. So please continue to practice. It will be really good.
Ma'am, definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
for
thank
your
you.
class. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, Ma.
Yes.
I'm Indra, Delhi.
Indra, yes, from Delhi.
Delhi.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. I have attended almost all your classes.
Okay.
But I don't know. I mean, I enjoy every class. Even now, I enjoy it so much. This class I have done many years back.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Okay, right, right. Okay, thank you so much.
Pranam Srimata. As I have just mentioned the first time, I think this time there was a reason that I have come to this meditation. Last 1 month, all of a sudden there were many physical health issues, one after the another. I had to get ultrasound, mammogram, and everything has shown some signs, but as doctor said, it's not something major to worry, but it's time I take things seriously. And these things slowly, where I found myself difficult to even get up from the bed, felt completely demotivated. The day I came to you the first time of the Alpha 2018, it's the same started feeling. Somewhere I realized there is something, even the voice started trying to talk to me, like there's something. And today, while I was experiencing the psychic attacks and what you were telling me, I'm able to now understand there was some negative energy that is being there, but now at least I can lift myself back. All thanks to you and the Supreme.
Very good, very good. Be aware. That is more important. Be aware of what is affecting you and get it affected. Okay?
Thank you so much.
All the best. So psychic energy is a very, very powerful meditation. Please practice it every day now for some few days, at least for a week or 10 days, till you become very comfortable with it. And then you can alternate it with any other of the meditations that you have done, Sri Vidya, Amrita Siddhi, or any other meditations. And this picture, Shiva Shakti, which we spoke about, we have printed copies also in AMP office. If somebody wants a copy, you can contact. If you're placing orders for those who are within India, it's easier. Pendulum, Rudraksham, all that, whatever you want, along with that you can get this. Otherwise, you can mentally visualize. It's fine, not a problem at all. And keep on practicing meditation. That is the most important thing today. What is required more for the world also is only positive energy. So if all of us meditate, we bring in a lot of positive energy, which will definitely help. So please keep doing meditation and live in positive energy always. Be aware of the energy and keep it very, very positive. Okay. So we will meet again. Sri Vidya is the next English class, which will come after 2 weeks. So I'm sure I will see many of you there. Thank you very much for being here today. It was wonderful. Thanks a lot. Bye.